We're going to be repairing some tire depressions. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com. And on this channel, we do asphalt paving, asphalt repair, concrete, general contracting, and much, much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So we're just on a residential driveway, and we're going to be repairing these tire depressions on the asphalt. What's happening is just sunk over time. They just want to do a temporary fix, but we're still going to do the repair proper. We're going to cut the tire depressions out left to right where both tires sit from the vehicle, and we're going to be repairing that and putting some new HL3 hot asphalt. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mark out where I'm going to be saw cutting. So ready to start the saw cuts. I'm just going to put the safety equipment on. I got my goggles, earplugs, and my mask. Now that the asphalt's excavated, I'm going to run the plate compactor over the area to make sure that the ground is firm and compacted. Now we're ready to start installing the asphalt. Today I've got my hot box with me. I'm not carrying very much asphalt today, so it was much better to use the hot box. And if you can tell, it's starting to rain, so I didn't want to take a really large load and use the dump truck. So very small job, it's going to be very fast, so I'm just going to start shoveling it in now. So I've got enough asphalt down in the patch area. Before I get too far, I'm just going to use the rake. I'm just going to give it a rough rake and then continue dropping. And once I've done that, I'll use the lute to final lute that. Yeah. Now I'm just going to use the lute to go over the patch for the final rake. Now I'm just going to clean up the edges before I use the plate tamper to compact the asphalt. compactor, plate tamper to tamp the asphalt. So that's it. The patch is now complete. We're just going to give it sufficient time to dry, and the client can park on it after a few days. So I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Share the video. Leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time from DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.